What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we tech things seriously. And on today's show, I'm going to go ahead and share with you a video of my daughter's first computer. She's only 7 years old, and I made her set it up and find all the pieces to be able to plug everything in. So go ahead and stay tuned. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Alright, so show me what you did so far in setting up your first computer.
So if you bend down, we just added, me and my mom, after when we finished my room, we just put this in and then we left it.
Okay.
But now I need to find is where...
Well, I'll help you with that, but what else do you need?
It in.
What is that?
Is it this?
Well, that's something that you'll need, but I'm asking you, what is this?
What? This?
Yeah, what is that?
So if you see, you're supposed to clip this in right here.
Yeah, well, hold on. That's just a power tap? No, that's just a power tap.
What's a power tap?
It just splits it. This is a surge protector.
What's a surge protector?
It protects against surges, so if the electricity goes bzzz, like too much, then it'll try to stop that, and usually has some kind of like fuse inside that'll pop if it has too much power.
Put it in here and then I get this in there somehow?
Yep. Look at the end. Is there a protector on it?
Oh, where's the protector? Oh.
There you go.
I was even concentrating. Ow. One second. I might have to put this.
Go ahead.
Have to take this off, unplug my Alexa to this, and then I do this. Wait, okay, here's the protector, Dad.
Okay, you put that in the trash.
Oh, since I'll be having this thing forever.
Yeah, now you gotta turn that switch on.
Okay. Now where do we plug this into?
Turn it around, careful.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Oh, I see it right here. Is it right here? Yellow?
Yep.
Yellow.
Yep, yellow, like that.
Oh, and we're also gonna need a mouse and a keyboard.
Okay.
And then
So go find one.
I'm gonna go get and I'm gonna get a dusting pad and get off the dust.
We'll start with a mouse and keyboard.
But where can I get a keyboard?
Where do you think?
Oh, your office.
Nope. Think again.
Oh. Where do I get a keyboard for my computer? There's a keyboard over here.
Yep, that's a wireless one. You have to find the receiver for it and the mouse.
Where's the receiver?
I don't know. See if there's a mouse under there too. I guess I haven't played on that in a while.
There is not a mouse.
Yeah.
Oh, my mom's at garage. Thanks, Mom. But where do usually? Oh, we can get a keyboard over here since we need one with a key with a cord. Yeah.
Yep.
Here's a computer almost like it.
That's just a monitor, huh?
Woo. Now, I need to move these. down here. Here's a binder. Here's this that fell out of the binder. Here's this. Now I can get close enough to look for a mouse. But Dad, do you think you can put down find one? Mouse! Mouse!
Okay. Is that good? Here's a different one.
Is there a glowing one?
No.
Like my brother's? It's okay. What's this? These two. Watch out, Dad! You can't fall down since you have back problems.
Yeah. All right, come on.
Whoop. Ow.
I'll get
I
this.
just got a scrape.
Yeah, careful.
But it's not that bad. I'm sweaty. The garage is so heavy. Do you think we should measure it?
No. Let's go.
Mom, we found a mouse in the keyboard. You want to see the nice mouse?
All right, let's go plug it in. Come on.
See?
Good, lovely. All right, go
And
plug
then
it in.
look at this keyboard. It has like almost the same black.
And it matches. All right.
Okay. Now that we did that, I need to get off all the dust.
I'll help you with that later. Don't do that. You're gonna scrape it.
Okay. Oh, try. How do you move a computer that's so heavy? I'm doing it.
Just plug it in right there.
Then after this, we need to download Sims again and get back onto the account that I
Your internet shuts off in 2 minutes, so we're gonna have to do that tomorrow.
It's okay. Okay. Okay, I plugged it in.
What about the mouse?
Where's the mouse? Did it hide? Ah, found it. Okay, now cord is ready from the mouse. Okay.
Be careful. It only goes one way. You push too hard, you break it. Guess what? Daddy don't fix for you. I'll give you a soldering iron and you.
Oh, I found the place.
All right.
Yay. Now time to turn it.
Here, move over here.
Wait, this is the same type as Mama's.
Yep. There we go. All right, and you're all booted up.
Okay. Let me just.
Really fast.
Thanks.
You got a mouse on the floor. You gotta put that on.
Yep. But I do need a mouse pad. What's this? Google.
It's not gonna work for you though. The internet's already off. See, it says try again or close. No internet.
Now how do you turn this thing on? Oh, I
You know how
know.
to turn it off. There's the power button. There you go.
Sleep. And this is my computer. But now we just need to dust it.